Hi guys, hope you are doing fabulous today. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new over here, welcome to the Triple TN's family. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm excited to share with you how I make my aloe vera oil, and the two main ingredients that I'll be using is aloe vera and avocado. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, share, and also subscribe. Let's dive right into today's video. First, here I have some aloe vera, and what I've done is to soak them in some water overnight, and what I'm doing here is to dice them up because this is how I am going to double boil them. And as we all know, aloe vera has many benefits for our hair growth. One, it reduces breakage, it strengthens your hair, it prevents hair loss. And for mothers who have boys and from time to time they will take them to the barber, and you know, some of the barbers don't sterilize their tool and the boys will catch fungus in their head. This is a good remedy. Also mixed with neem, it's a good remedy to eliminate fungus. We'll talk some more about that in another video. Here I have some avocado, and I'll be using 1.5. Avocado contains vitamin, minerals, and fatty acid that can help hair grow faster and healthier. It can reduce scalp inflammation and dandruff. Avocado can protect hair from environmental damage like UV rays, pollution, and heat styling. It can also be used for detangling. You can also use it to make hair mask and also deep conditioner. So you can get a lot of benefit from using avocado. So what I'm doing here is to add everything to the blender, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of fenugreek powder, a tablespoon of chia seed, also a tablespoon of rosemary leaf, a tablespoon of dry peppermint leaf, here I have a bottle of grapeseed oil, and I'll be using 4 cups. In this case, you can use any amount of oil that you choose to, and also whichever oil that you want to use. I am using the grapeseed oil. So what I'm going to do is to blend everything together. So guys, if you are liking this video so far, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe, share, and comment. Also, if you are interested in my hair care line, remember to check out the link in the description box. So this is the container I'll be using to do the double boiling method. You can use any container that you want or that you have, as long as it is heat resistant. So what I did is to place a pot of water on the stove, allow it to heat up for some time, and then I'll place the container on top of it. Please sit back, relax, pop a cap, and enjoy the rest of this video. guys, you can use this oil for pre-poo. You can use it to detangle your hair. It can be used every day if choose to. It is very good for hair loss, as I said before. So we have come to the end of another vlog. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you. Bye. Stay liquid.